Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox keeps crashing. To know how to fix or to solve Roblox keeps crashing, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps. Here in this page you'll enter to Roblox app and you'll enter. Then this list of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we'll enter to clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you will find it, you can update your application there to solve your problems. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.